Hello.
Young man, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How far now?
Fine.
POS 90 years.
What?
Oh, POS. No, I'm waiting for a friend.
Okay. No problem. You can stand.
No problem, my friend. Don't mind all this reckless driver. Just my driver.
So what happened?
My expensive vehicle, this guy has just knocked it down like that.
Yay!
I'm just waiting for somebody. I will be leaving very soon.
Hey!
I don't do POS. When I need money, my bank manager will bring it for me. I'll just put him on.
No wahala, bro.
This one where I do POS for my front, I don't want to this one. Okay, question my question. Every time I do call like this, while I go start to the give one for money for my front bar.
No verse.
While I here one with run for 500 naira while I make
What?
Yawa.
Is it for Gary?
Make a put some charges everything. I cannot joke.
Go say this to people.
While anything I see make a put some. Yawa. Make a put some for people.
70 years old man.
No, I don't put them. I went there to walk. Yawa. Make it.
But that question is not meant for me.
Give one for my money, make it.
I owe you.
Well, you might come here. I don't give one for my money. I will only for my neck.
Sorry.
I know you will for money, man.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yawa, what are you blessing me?
I am Professor Image.
I did speak English fluently. I know they are now come for that.
Oh, no vex, sir. Actually, my driver, he went and knocked somebody down, and currently I need 100 naira to go to Aja under bridge. And as a day like this now, Oga Shishi no dey my hand. 100 naira. Make I enter motor.
Well, I make a tell them for me. For Kano now, we I dey work for Kano. I dey for Lagos, I dey see people like me, mana. I say dey here, I no get them for 5 naira. When I go find me, mana. For Kano now, my brothers, I dey beg, I dey tell them for the driver. Well, I go punish me, borrow bank.
Oga no give me cost.
Don't go fire me.
No give me cost. They know they beg for your family.